Tanong.
Stories at game in the zoo. It's Teresa's day. It's her 7th birthday. Her nanay and tatay promised that they would go to Laguna Wildlife Park and Rescue Center, a zoo at Lava Vista, Pansol, Calamba City. As promised by her parents today, the family will visit the Wildlife Park and Rescue Center to make
There.
their visit fun and memorable. They decided to play a game. Teresa, would he be blindfolded and led by her parents, near the animals cages. She has to identify each animal by listening to the sounds it makes. Nanay, tatay, and blindfolded Teresa approached and the first animal. Teresa listened well until she heard this loud sound. Neigh, 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 neigh. Teresa actually made it's a horse. It's a horse. She got it right. Was the Wildlife Park's newly adopted pony named Corona. Nanay replaced Teresa's blindfold and they went on to the next. The birthday girl listened carefully until she heard this loud sound. Gran, 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 gran. Oh, what? It's that, she asked. I think it's a crocodile. She got it right. It's a caiman crocodile. The sounds guessing game continued. Other animal sounds that Teresa actually guessed right are the following: A. Hiss, soft sound by a snake. B. Oink, 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 loud sound by the wild pigs. C. Coo, 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 gentle sounds from pigeons. And D. Unga, 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 a loud sound coming from a cow. Teresa's family had a great day at the Wildlife Park. It was an unforgettable adventure and a birthday celebration that is worth that wait. Question 1. What are the animals mentioned in the story? 2.
Imitate.
I imitate the sounds of the animals in the story. Tapos na!
Nako,